Alaman natin later at just to clarify, just to put everybody into the same plane, tayo po peaceful assembly, no? We are for the Constitution and the rule of law. So klaro-klaro po 'yan, no? Ang laban natin, Father, no? Laban sa corruption, not for anything. At yan po i-clarify siguro later on.
Okay, so to give the welcome remarks and acknowledgement of all the participating organizations, we invite Father Tony Labiao to the podium.
Good morning everyone. Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Welcome and thank you for coming to this press conference of the Trillion Peso March movement. The Trillion Peso March held last Sunday, September 21, 2025 in EDSA People Power Monument is a big success, short of a miracle. In just a 10-day preparations, we were able to hold that march to provide everyone and to various groups an opportunity to express their indignation against widespread corruption in the PWH and in other branches of government. The September 21 trillion peso march is just a start of our continuing march until transparency, accountability, and good governance are in place in our country. Thus, we are launching this Trillion Peso March movement today. This movement is open to all. Sabi nga, ang lahat ng kulay ay pwede dito. Basta tayong lahat ay kontra sa mga magnanakaw. That's the symbol of a white ribbon pin in our church. Let me acknowledge also the following. The Church Leaders Council for Transformation, we call it CLCNT, the lead convener of this movement, whose members are Catholic Church, Bishops Colin Bagaforo and Bishop Roby Gaa of Novaliches, Philippine Council of Evangelical Churches, represented by Bishop Ephraim Tendero, and the National Council of Churches of the Philippines, represented by its Secretary General Minik Calog, and our co-conveners, which are the following: Alyansa Nakakaisang Mamamayan, 6, Simbahan at Komunidad Laban sa Katiwalaan, SICLAP, Manila Archdiocesan and Parochial Schools or MAPSA, and at Catholic Education Association of the Philippines, SIAP, Brotherhood of Christian Businessmen and Professionals, BCBP, Caritas Philippines Network, and all our partners, especially those civil society organizations participating in September 21 Trillion Peso March, and other allied groups who supported us. We also acknowledge the presence of individuals, personalities. They are not members or affiliated to any organization, but they are committed to support our movement against corruption. And of course, our friends and partners in the media. Thank you very much. And once again, welcome to this press conference. Good morning.
Thank you, Father Tony. Marami akong nakikita nasa labas sa Father Wilmer. Papasukin natin sila. Pasok po, pwede ho dito sa loob. Medyo cowboy na lang tayo. Pasok po ng konti. Meron pa rin upuan dun sa tabi. Yung gusto kumandong sa akin, pwede rin kumandong sa akin. Pwede rin. Willing naman ako. Pero pag magbibigyan ako ni Bisa, pwedeng kumandong sa akin, hindi na makaupo.